What is the purpose/function of .sssss files? While trying to copy the contents of a 16 GB USB drive, I got a warning that there was not enough free space. Checking the properties of the folder tree on the USB drive, I found a large number of .sssss files that claim to be around 3.5 GB each, for a total of approximately 908 GB, which I don't think could be possible on a 16 GB drive. Obviously there is something going on here, but I cannot find any reference to this file type online. When I try to delete these files, they request administrator permission, which I provide. However, they then throw a file access denied error and state that I require permission from the administrator. Does anyone know what the purpose of these files are, and how to remove them?
Most likely these aren't actual files but the result of file system corruption. It is normally not possible to have multiple identically named files. Their names, ssssssssssssss.sssss, correspond to hexadecimal bytes E1, 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 in code page 437, which was the default MS-DOS code page, and therefore the default FAT32 code page when long file names aren't in use. The character is not the Greek beta but the German lowercase sharp s. The dot isn't actually stored in the FAT, but added by the OS when reading, so it doesn't get corrupted. Their sizes are close to 3,789,677,025 bytes, which is again 0x E1, 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 E1 in hex. That's approximately 3,700,856.469 kilobytes. Windows probably rounds up. All signs point to part of your file system's master file table being filled with the byte 0x E1, which may be caused by software, such as unplugging mid-write, but may also indicate that the flash memory itself is dying. Software-induced corruption can often be cleaned up by using Windows Disk Error Checking, CHKDSK. Or just reformat the drive, after copying your real files out of it. But especially for cheaper and or heavily used drives, bad flash memory is very likely. Don't use this drive for important files anymore.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.